The food industry is packed full of career opportunities. I'm Emma Peterson, and join me to explore one of the many areas in the world of food processing, technology, and safety.
Today, we are going to explore how to make Twinkies at home. We start by making the batter. First, we combine the dry ingredients consisting of cake flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. 2 different types of flours are used in order to get a specific protein content in between the low protein content of cake flour and the average protein content of all-purpose flour. Next, we combine our wet ingredients by heating up milk and butter on the stove until it melts, and then adding vanilla extract. After that, we whip egg whites in a stand mixer until they form soft peaks. This means that they will hold their shape some, but not completely. Then, we remove the whipped egg whites and add the egg yolks to the mixer. We mix these until they thicken and turn a pale yellow. Using whipped egg whites and whipped egg yolks incorporates air into the batter. This creates the characteristic light, fluffy, and spongy texture of Twinkies. Next, we put the egg whites and flour mixture on top of the egg yolks and mix briefly. After that, the melted butter mixture is added to the batter and everything is folded together. Finally, the batter is poured into molds and baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. To make the filling, butter, powdered sugar, and marshmallow fluff are creamed together. A small amount of heavy cream is added to slightly loosen the mixture. After the cakes are done baking, 3 holes are made in the bottom of each cake and filling is piped into each hole. Unlike regular Twinkies, these don't last forever, so they are best enjoyed warm.